10 items of clothing over 10 days. That is essentially what a 10 by 10 capsule wardrobe is. What I'm doing today for you guys is putting together a winter 10 by 10 capsule wardrobe, and I'm going to create 10 outfits from the capsule for you to see. There's always so much to learn about your personal style when you do 10 by 10 capsule wardrobes, or any capsule wardrobes really. They can help you to be more creative with less pieces. They can help you to wear the pieces in your wardrobe in different ways that you didn't know. And they can also help you to just not have to stress about knowing what to wear for a certain amount of days. Firstly, I'm going to go through the items that I've chosen for the capsule wardrobe, and then I'm going to show you the outfits that I've created. Before we start, if you're new here, hello, my name is Emily and I make slow fashion styling videos. I talk a lot about personal style and capsule wardrobes and ethical and sustainable shopping. So if that sounds like something that you would like, then I suggest you subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed and you're watching my videos, I see you. Just subscribe, it's free, you may as well, and it helps me a bunch. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I have 10 items. It doesn't include shoes or handbags. As it's a winter capsule wardrobe, it also doesn't include like layers. So like things like thermals, which I usually wear under all my clothes in winter, or like a t-shirt, skivvy or something. It's not including them. There are no skirts or dresses in this particular capsule. I just thought today I'd make one without. So I'll start with my trousers. I have 2 pairs of denim jeans. I tried not to put any more in. You guys know how much I love denim. And then I have a pair of black, just like straight leg trousers. The black trousers you guys have seen lots of in my previous videos. These ones you've seen quite a bit of as well. They're like a boot cut kind of, I want to say the tiniest flare, but not really, more of a boot cut. Really high waist, super tight and fitted. They're my rollers. I got these secondhand on Depop. And then a new addition to my wardrobe, which was generously gifted to me from Outland Denim. They make jeans ethically, very ethically. They are such a brilliant brand. I highly recommend you check out Outland Denim. These have got gifted to me literally in the past couple of days, so I wore them out today, out for coffee. We're in lockdown at the moment, so literally I just walked down the street and walked home in them, but they're really, really nice. They're more of a, on me, they're more of a looser fit because I have the tiniest thighs, so the thigh region is loose, but they're nice and fitted at the waist up there. They're a really soft, kind of fine denim, super soft and comfortable. That's what the bottom looks like, which is quite nice. It's a little rough, but not too rough. I'm going to be reviewing these in a video in a little while. I just want to like wear them and really get to know them before I properly review them for you guys. But do go check out Outland Denim. They are such a great brand for ethical and sustainable fashion. I've chosen 2 outerwear pieces for this capsule, both quite a light color but different shapes. So I've got my vintage shearling jacket. I showed you guys this last time. It's really, really badly marked from the sun, which I'm actually going to try find a specialist to fix that for me because it's worth getting fixed. As you can see, it's meant to be brown. The sun has just completely turned it green. So looking into getting a specialist to fix this, but I still wanted it to show it because you get the idea, but obviously like this isn't great. And then I've got my like cashmere wool, very fine coat, very minimal with a little belt. It's really beautiful, goes over basically any outfit you want. So lovely, and it's actually surprisingly very warm, like because it's cashmere, it's really warm, and it's so easy to put over like chunky jumpers because it has a nice thick sleeve, and because it's so thin you can layer it on top of all your winter things really easily. So I love that. That is from a brand called Mute by JL. I've had this one for years. I will link it in the description below, but just full disclosure, I don't know much about their production and where they source all their things from. And I also have this little wool fluffy kind of mohair woolly t-shirt thing. I don't know what you call it. I put this in because I wanted to bring color into this very neutral winter capsule. However, once I started creating the outfit, this to me was the hardest thing for me to actually outfit with things, and I wasn't loving it in my outfits. So this little exercise and video shooting for you guys actually did teach me a lot about this particular item and about how I've been trying to bring color into my winter wardrobe. It really has taught me that I think I need to be doing a lot more research to bring in color and a lot more thought and planning before actually bringing the color in. I got it secondhand, which is great, but since I bought it, I really have been struggling to outfit it with things with the particular color that it is. 2 weeks ago, I brought out a video about how to stop buying the wrong clothes and how to stop shopping for clothes that you don't wear. And I did mention in that over the course of our lives, we will make mistakes. And as we are working on our personal style, we will still continue to make mistakes. And that is totally fine. And obviously, when you care about the environment and you care about ethical and sustainable fashion, you want to be making less mistakes because you get that eco guilt as well. But I don't like to have regrets in life. I always like to think, what can I learn from that experience? So whenever you do make a mistake, whenever you do bring in something into your wardrobe that you really struggle to outfit with things and that you really struggle to put together with other things, get to the bottom of it. Don't just feel guilty. Don't just sell it on. Don't just donate it and forget about it. Hold on to it for a little while and really work out why it wasn't working for you and what mistake you made when you bought that. So that is like what I'm going to do with this little number soon, because I really like it. I think it's gorgeous, it's beautiful, but I'm really struggling to outfit it. So I want to kind of work out whether that was a mistake or not. Anyway, that was a bit of a detour, but you can go check out that video if you like. Okay, so I have 2 cream jumpers, different fits, just a regular turtleneck, ribbed, tight fitting. I love these. I have this in this color and black, but they're just super handy. They tuck in really nicely, nice and tight to the skin, keep you warm, keep your neck warm, and they just kind of look really elegant with things, and they're easy to like throw on every day. And then I have this turtleneck, which is a bit looser, boxier, beautiful cashmere one as well. It's two-toned, so it's a bit funky. I was gifted this years ago, so it's got different color arms, and then the back is that color as well. So, but it looks really cute on, and then it has like these beautiful thick cuffs, and you can see if that, yeah, you can just see the quality of that there. Like I've had this for a long time, and it hasn't been balling or anything, and that's just really beautiful and so soft. And I love these big, huge cuffs, gorgeous details. Oh, the floor is so squeaky. And then I also have 2 black jumpers. So once again, 2 very different fits and thickness, which I think is really important to get a variety in your capsule wardrobes. So the first is just a regular, your everyday crew neck, cashmere, maybe some sort of wool. What are we? Merino wool. That's right. A merino wool jumper, crew neck, basically the same as what I'm wearing here. Very similar, just a black one. And then the other black one is a very, very old jumper that I've had for years from H&M. It's probably seen better days, but you can see it's like a cable knit, and it has these kind of like balloon sleeves, and the neckline is a bit different. It's a bit more sloppy, and it's kind of thick. So this one can actually go over the other crew neck if I wanted to really layer up, or it can go over anything like my thermals or anything like that as well. So I chose 2 shoes for this capsule. I felt like that was enough. 2 very versatile shoes. My just little black boots that are little secondhand ones from Depop, from Joanne Mercer, really comfortable, tiny heel, great for every day. And then I also chose my white trainers from Veja. Veja? I don't know. Someone tell me how to pronounce that. Obviously, some climates, some winter climates, these might not suit you guys, but here in Sydney, it is very mild. I get a lot of wear out of my trainers. I can get away with showing my ankles in winter. It's not too cold. However, in this video, I'm actually going to pair these with little white ribbed socks, and you'll see that in the video. So my ankles won't be shown. So I wanted to kind of show how I would wear socks with it, because I know it's not realistic for everyone to show their ankles in winter time. So yeah, I think that is all. No, bags. I chose 3 bags for this capsule. Everyday tote bag, a little chain cream bag, and then a little chain black bag, both secondhand. So those are all my items. As you can see, it's a very, very neutral color palette. There is that green top in there, but like I said earlier, I really struggled to inject that into this capsule. So bear that in mind when you're watching, and maybe you'll learn something from this capsule as well, because I certainly did. To all my girls that are currently in summer weather and you're like, why am I watching a winter video right now? I apologize, but do save this video for your own winter this year. And if you would like to see me do a summer version, let me know in the comments below and I can make that in the next couple of weeks as well. So here's my outfits. You guys know what to do. Which outfit was your favorite from the bunch? Don't forget to like and comment on this video because it helps me so much to continue to make lots of content for you guys here on the platform. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to spread kindness this week and I'll see you in my next video.